In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an account in FxPro. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser. From here, you'll need to go up to FxPro.com. Once you're in there, it should look something like this. And here you can see that you'll be able to either trade like a pro, or you can go up here to register for an account or log into your already existing account. From here, you'll need to click register. Once you've done that, a new page will pop up where you can register a new profile. Here you can add in the country of residence, you can add in an email, and enter your password. From here, you'll simply need to register with FxPro. From here, you'll need to add in your personal details. And here you can add in your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and then your phone mobile number. If you want to change the phone number, you need to go back and change your country of residence to your specific country that fits your mobile phone. Once you've done that, you'll need to add in your nationality. And here you can select between all of these different languages. And you can also select if you have more than one nationality or that you are a US citizen, which are only for tax purposes. You'll need to write in your US tax code down here. Once you're done, you need to click Save and Continue. Down here, you'll need to add in your residential address. Here you can add in the street, number, building, flat, etc. And you can also add your postal or zip code and your city, town. Once you've done that, you'll need to click Save and Continue. From here, you'll need to add in your employment information. And here you can add in employment status, either employed, self-employed, retired, student, or unemployed. You can also add a field of study, either accountancy or all of these other ones here. You can add in what type of level of education you already have, which is high school, bachelor, master's degree, university degree, or none. From here, you'll need to add in your annual income. And here you can add between all of these other ones. You can add the estimated net worth. You can add the source of wealth, either employment, savings, gifts, or other sources of wealth. You can add the expected country of origin for these funds, and you can select how much you expect to invest within the next 12 months. Then from here, you need to click Save and Continue, and here you'll need to add in your trading knowledge. And here you can see how many times you have traded, leveraged, abbreviated products such as CFDs, on FX, indices, futures, shares, etc. in the past 2 years. And here you can select between all of these, and you can select between this right here. What type of closing order can you choose to help limit losses when trading? You can choose a stop loss. An investor open a transaction with an exposure of €4,000 and leverage it 1 to 20. What's your required margin, and you can select 200 right here. Down here you need to select what is spread, and here you can see the difference between the buy ask and sell bid price of an instrument. And let's assume that your deposit capital is amount you can afford to lose without affecting your capacity to meet your financial obligations. How would you react if you lost that amount of result of trading CFDs? Then you can choose that's live. You win some, you lose some, and click Save and Continue. Down here you can add the wallet currency, and you can choose between all of these ones down here, and then you can click I confirm the activity of the account, and I declare that I've read and understood the client agreement and all of other, and click Save and Continue. From here, you'll need to verify your identity by either uploading a photo or ID of your driver's license and take a selfie of yourself. And you can either do that by scanning this QR code to get the app of FxPro, or you can stay and verify via your browser. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!